Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be reacting to this random video that just popped up in my recommended. It's called Rated 18 Plus BTS JIKOOK, and I am so ready for this. I am so ready. So let's dive right in. Ready, set, go. So cute. Yeah. Bitch! The sound effects always get to me. Those damn sound effects. Yes. Work it. Oh, they're so cute. Oops. My bias slowly killing me. The dang sound effects, they're hilarious. Is that actually them though? I don't think so. I need some damn holy water. Please. Jimin without makeup though. So cute. I love this video. It's really good. Aww, they're so cute. Kiss. Oh. What are these dang sound effects? Am I the only one hearing this? Do I have just like a bad mind or something? Am I the only one hearing this? I don't hear it now, but I heard it like... I'm gonna tell you when I hear it. Yes. I love Jungkook. He's so pretty. Right now, do you hear it? What the heck is that? That sounds like someone's dying, actually. Like, no, it sounds like someone's getting murdered now. Like, at first it was like weird, like dirty, but now it sounds like someone's getting murdered. Do you guys hear that? Is that just me? It's like I didn't do it right, but you know. Oh, Jungkook. So hot. I don't hear the sound effects anymore. That's my favorite part of like all time. Praise the Lord. Not this. These damn sound effects, like, they kind of sound like someone is getting like strangled or something. Probably. Who knows? Who knows what the heck that was? Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment down below other videos you want to see me do, and subscribe if you haven't already. You know, just the usual YouTube stuff. Leave some feedback. Even if you think I'm ugly as even if it's a bad comment, I really don't care. I love all sorts of comments. Bye.